Guys, 1 minute I'll go to bathroom. Just watch her.
Hi
Speak
guys.
speak with her, okay? If you don't speak with her, I'll hurt you.
Hi guys. This Yeti's boy is good. I am is good. Every my house is every mother and people good. I am also good. It is good. It is or the mother good. All good. Okay, you what eat? All eat up. It is juice, chips, juice, chips. All eat. I am also all eat. Ice creams. All eat. Yetish is a boy. I am is a girl. This Yetish is a.
Wait a minute. I'm a boy and she's a girl. Speak.
Yetish is a sister. I am is a brother. Hi.
Oh, you are my sister and you are my brother. You call me brother and I'm your sister, no?
Yes. But sister, I once speak in Tamil. Iva Anna, not Tanguchi. I speak
She speak like that because we live in India, in Tamil Nadu. That's why. If you want to come to India, just meet me and come, please.
India is very good. Tamil Nadu. This boy is live is Samilpatti.
No, my home is Bangalore in Karnataka.
This boy is grandmother house. This is a name is Savalpatti. I applied the Savalpatti. This boy died Bangalore. Okay.
Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yes, subscribe that. Yes, subscribe.
Right?
Just if you pop that button, will pop up like fireworks.
Fireworks.
And share it also to your friends and tell them to subscribe to this channel.
Like to channel.
Bye.
Bye.